Rishad Badruddin, also on Makkal Muslim Congress, and also he's from Mana district, adjoining the Tamil Nadu coastline, and also Azad Sari, who's also coming from a trading, related family to the Indian Muslims, even though because he's Azad Sari she is a Sri Lankan Muslim, but the origins are to Indian Muslims, ancestors links. So I think now during the COVID-19 pandemic, the Muslim burial issue became a political issue, and it was like time to time it shifted from burial to cremation, and Asad Sali and Rishad Badruddin prominently argued for this burial, especially Asad Sali. So as a result, I think the RAW did this with the use of Asad Sali here and Rishad Badruddin, and thereafter what happened was the United Nations Human Rights Commission, the monitoring mission, put the Muslim issue also as part of the resolutions against Sri Lanka. So the Eastern Muslim issue became internationalized. They said the United Nations Human Rights Commission said because of the Muslim dead body cremation issue due to COVID-19, but actually the raw intelligence involvements here only created this. Because Sri Lanka being a small island, our resources, our personnel are not enough to counter the raw intelligence activities in Geneva. So I think in this situation, the and also the Eric Solheim's comments that Sri Lanka must solve the problems within the Sinhalese. He mentions Sinhalese first. Second, he mentions Sri Lankan Muslims. Third, he mentions Sri Lankan Tamils, and he then says he believes that Sri Lankan Sinhalese have a more perspective of Sri Lanka with regard to Tamils. That means Sri Lankan Sinhalese must lead this country. But he even though he put Sri Lankan ethnic group Sri Lankan Muslims as the second category, he identified because it's a Sri Lankan Tamils who are the majority after Sinhalese, not the Muslims. But he doesn't mention that. It's a clear indication of another conspiracy of European, British, Anglican based, and also the American and also the Indian to use Indian Tamils of Sri Lankan Muslims of Indian rather Muslims, and then Sri Lankan Muslims of Indian ancestral links to create sporadic random attacks, and then go for another huge issue here. So these things must be investigated, and also we have seen in the eastern province, the Muhudu Mahaviharaya, there are a large number of Buddhist monks statues, and each and every statue, the hand had been removed here. So this can be seen on the YouTube channel, and there were some prominent American YouTubers. I don't remember his name. He was here for more than 1 year doing his YouTubing, covering the Kattankudi and the eastern province, especially, and other areas as well. So now in these videos, he says that the Kattankudi is not like a Sri Lankan city, the architecture, everything. So these videos had been removed after I have commented about this to some of my students at that time in Kolonnawa, where this Easter carnage is supposed to come. So it has to be investigated because further Indian Muslims getting involved with their ancestral Sri Lankan Muslim brotherhood would result in another sporadic activities to destabilize Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka must take all steps here in order to promote like a independent sovereign Tamil Nadu, so that then after the creation of Tamil Nadu at independent state, Sri Lanka can solve its problems without any problem. Rather, there's no problem. Our problems would end by that time and Sri Lanka could march towards a high income status country as classified by the requirements of the World Bank.